Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and for a little walkthrough of my latest Graphic 45 tutorial project for you. So there is a full tutorial video for this, but I thought I'd just show you the details of the project. I've used the Love Notes collection, which is one of the new re-released collections, and I've used the ready-made album in a box. But I decided to make a little twist on it, and the album in a box was designed to have the album built inside the box. But I've taken some of the extra black chipboard that Graphic 45 have and added my own little cover to it. So the pages and everything already made, the box is pre-made, but I've just built it in a different way. So let's have a look at what we've got. So it's just a little project. You can see by the size of my hands here, but it's a very strong box, and I've covered it. It's all black to start with, so I didn't have to cover the base. I've covered it with this gorgeous, sumptuous floral paper, and that's all I've done is taken one of the sticker sheets and used some black cardstock to strengthen it and 3D foamed it so it's a bit foam. But I think with those papers it didn't need too much, but I did add a couple of fussy cut flowers as well, just to add more red, and then just use the same paper around the edge. And then you'll see here we've got our closure, which is a magnetic closure, very strong. And then the box opens, and I'll show you what it was actually designed to be done. So on the lid, we've got a pocket. Let me check if I've got any loose bits. There we go. Here. So it's a pocket on the inside of the lid. Again, just using one of the journal cards images there. And the pages in this kit were actually designed to stick onto this spine. So as you open, you have got your album in a box. Whereas I've actually created an album inside a box. So I've made the cover myself. So if you want to make one of these, you will need some thin chipboard, nothing too thick, otherwise it won't fit in. But I'll show you then the measurements and how to make it. But all the pages, all the signature pages here are already pre-made for me, so I didn't actually have to do anything with those. So let's have a look at the images on the box. So you've got a pattern continuation going here. And then inside, I could have covered this as well, but if I'd covered the sides as well, I may not have fitted, or they said it might have been a bit too much of a squeeze. So I just put one of the image pieces on the bottom like so. So let's have a look at the album itself. So I said, yes, I've made the cover, but everything else was already pre-made. So it's just a case of decorating it, which you will see in the tutorial. I've used quite a few Cool Cats dies in this as well. And I've got some zigzag journal cards as well, which are perfect for 3x4 photos as well. So it's a small album, but you can pack in quite a bit into it. So this is one of the Cool Cats pierce slot dies. So I can tuck some ephemera inside there. As you can see, perfect for 3x4 photo mats. So everything is kept nice and simple, but as I said, just some places we can do it. And as I opened it up, I realized that the pages were perfect for our 4x4 photos. So I used the Cool Cats photo slots, which cut in these 4 little notches first, and comes with a journal card with, if you see it in the black, some pierced details around the edge. And that's slightly bigger than a 4x4 photo, so you can put your photo in the middle. So if you like your papers to show, you can, and then you can just put in a photo. So they're brilliant ways of adding photo spaces, but you can still see your papers. So again, I've done another one on the left. And then the photo mat just tucks in, and then once you want to change the photos, you can. And this page does have a flip up. And again, I've got pattern continuation going all the way up. And then we've got two little pockets, one vertical, so we can tuck things in there. And we've got one down the bottom, so we can tuck some photo cards in there as well. Let's put it there. I feel if it's the same paper. So let's close that. Then we open it up. Here I've used the Cool Cats brad closures, but with some magnets behind. So I haven't used brads at all. In fact, I've cut the brad bit off and tucked it under and used magnets behind the black portions so you can put in your photo and close it. In this case, I'll probably just put two like that. Just another way of keeping our papers visible, but still having a space for a photo. Then we get to the center. No, I'm right. In the center, we have got a pocket page, so we can put some photo cards inside here, or just put your photo straight in, like so. And in the video, I will show you how I matte and layered mine. So let's have a little closer look at it. So I've matte and layered it with just that little bit of black still showing. And again, all my pages have this pattern continuation going all the way across. And spaces, then you can just stick a photo, or you can stick one of these journal cards in, and you can just have it coming out like so. So yeah, I show how to make these as well. And this time, I didn't use my photo slot dies. I've actually stuck them down and used these pieces from the sticker sheet. Just use some 3D foam so that the photo can be stuck down behind like so, and down here. So you still got your photo, but those elements show. And then we had the straight pierce slots here. This time I used a curved one, so it looks like a nice smiley face. And the waist from here, I could have stuck back in, had an invisible one, but I quite like when you can see it. So we can tuck one of our photo cards in, like so. And then you can pull it up and you can take it out as well. So you can see when we go in, you see that curve then showing. So yeah, I do like the stitched curved slots for making tuck spots, but without losing your paper. And on the right hand side, we've got a little pocket. So all these pockets are already there. I didn't have to do anything, just decorate. And again, we've got a vertical one here and pattern continuation from those florals to these browns and muted colours this side. And I do have one of my covered paper clips. So there is already a tutorial for how to use your 8x8 papers to make some paper clips. So if you do want to know how to make those, I'll add a link in the description below for you to see. And flipping it over, you can see then the back of your paper clip is there, so you can tuck things each side. And then here we've got one of those straight ones again, and another 3x4 photo mat. I think it was Carla Lavero shows one of these in one of her Graphic 45 Club projects, and I just used one of the journal cards then just to make it a bit more interesting there. There, you've got room for 3x4 photos on these, and again I'll show you those in the tutorial as well. And it does just slot in there. So I thought, yeah, a lovely way of using that. And if you're after a quick project, as I said, it's already made for you. It's just a case of decorating. Although I did make a cover, which is my added bit for my tutorial. So yeah, it is meant to be stuck there. So when you have your box, it's just open inside there. I quite like that I can take it out and put it back in. So that is my love notes album in a box. So please stay tuned, and I'll be sharing you how I made this with you. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button just in case you haven't already, because then you will be notified when the tutorial goes live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.